Hey dolls and gents, so continuing on with the Valentine series, today's video is 2 DIY products to get you right, not only for Valentine's Day, but for the spring and summer months. The ingredients for making these products are going to be very cheap household items, so this is going to give you that spa-like treatment on a budget. So first we're going to start off with the rose sugar scrub. So as always, all of the ingredients will be listed on the screen for your convenience. So first we are going to be taking sugar and Epsom salt blended together. And then I am going to be taking our dried rose petals. Now I did find these on Amazon, but if you don't have those, then you can surely use fresh rose petals. Following that, I am going to be taking 2 different oils. You can also substitute the oils per your liking. I am using grapeseed oil as well as coconut oil. There are a lot of good benefits for using roses on the skin. Some of the benefits are reducing signs of aging, treating skin problems, fighting against bacterial and viral infections, reducing stress, maintaining hormone levels, strengthen the digestive system, increasing libido, which is going to be amazing for Valentine's Day. Also, brightening skin, evening out your skin tone, and many other great benefits. This is also really good for all skin types, so if you're sensitive, you can definitely use this. Exfoliation is really important with the skin. It is amazing for dehydrated skin, such as dry skin, ingrown hairs, and as well, it is very important to remove those dead skin cells. I try to exfoliate my skin twice a week. I really enjoy this product because again, it's very gentle on the skin, so it's not going to be very harsh, and the oil is going to leave your skin moisturized. So moving right along, we are going to be doing a rose infused body oil. This is a really good way to recycle those old roses from Valentine's Day. So as you can see what I'm doing here, I am using dry rose petals. It's very important to use dry rose petals because oil and water does not mix, as we all know. So I am using fresh rose petals, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and lavender essential oils. And as always, you guys can manipulate this recipe as you see fit. So there are many great properties of using a rose oil on the skin. It is going to leave a smooth and flawless finish. It also has antibacterial properties that treat pimples, reduce skin imperfection, help control excess oil, unclog pores, and give a glow to the skin. Also, this rose oil is also going to be very good if you suffer from rosacea. So that's going to help with inflammation. If you guys decide to make these products, make sure you let me know down in the comment section down below. I would love to see how you guys feel about them. Before someone comes for me in the comment section, I did want to advise you guys that this is a rose infused oil. This is not a pure rose oil. If you do want to go the extract route, then you will need to extract the oil from the rose petals by using alcohol. With this, I didn't do that. I am going to just take the oil and place it into some hot water and just let that sit until the water becomes room temperature. After it has become room temperature, as you can see here, the oil does become darker and the petals do look more wilted. So this is perfect. These products mentioned in this video are great for self-care days, but also make great gifts. So as you can see, I am going ahead and piping in this oil into these containers. By the way, I did get these glass container dropper bottles off of Amazon as well as the jars. So now as you can see, I am going to just be adding the oil into the container, and then following that I will just put in some dry rose petals as well as some fresh rose petals just for the decoration process. Now, I did want to also tell you guys, the longer that you let this oil sit with those rose petals, the stronger it will be. You can also add any other type of essential oils that you guys like. Now, remember what I said about the aphrodisiac part. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and share these with your friends and family. Happy Valentine's Day.